Samsung is all set to launch its new 5G phone under A series called Galaxy A27. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone official renders and key specifications has surfaced online. According to leak renders by Digital Citizen and other rumors, the Galaxy A27 5G will feature a flat 6.7-inch AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that will carry a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that will feature a 50-megapixel primary camera, including 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, plus 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. The Galaxy A27 5G will come equipped by a large 5,000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support, and it will run on Android 16 out of the box with One UI 8.5 skin on top. Additionally, the phone is suggested to be IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. Apart from this, the leak renders also suggest the phone to come in graphite black, navy blue, light pink, and light green color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A27 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.